Hey guys, thought I'd do a little demo on how to replace your latches on the Milwaukee Packout. So this one or this one, they're all pretty much basically the same. So when you undo this, under here, there's little tabs that you need to get this over. So if you just use a flathead screwdriver, and there's two sides to it, get the pressure on. One side, there's the other side. So that's come off now. Next step is to remove this metal from it, so you can just use a bit of strength to get that out. So that's separate now. Now there's a little pin in here that we need to knock out, so a little flathead screwdriver and some pliers, and that will knock right out. So might not be able to see that, but that's come out now, and then you can just grab your pliers and pull that out. So you want to keep this, grab your new one, put that in there, and you can put that pin back in, and that will just slide in there. Alright, so that's done. And then you're going to get that metal piece. Just make sure you got it the right way around. So put in one side, flex it onto the other side. So that's done. And then now what you've got to do is just slot this up. So these are the two bits I was talking about at the start. You've got to get past, so you just need a flathead to pull this whole thing down. And then it should just click back in. Click in. Yeah, that's done.